Good morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all enjoyed the holidays, isn't it? Shall we start today's class students? All of you take your note and books. Today let us do the exercise 6.1 question number 5. What is the question number 5 now? Prove the following identities. Two subdivisions are there. Let us do the first one. What is the first one now? Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So, either LHS, let us take the LHS to take proof. Okay. What is the LHS? Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Okay. Which is equal to, let us bring the secant ratio into cos. What is the secant theta formula? Do you remember? 1 by cos theta. Okay, so secant power 4 theta can be write 1 by cos power 4 theta into 1 minus, let us write this, sine power 4 theta is sine square theta the whole square. Okay, that is sine power 4 theta. Close the bracket, minus 2 into, let us use this tan theta. Let us bring this tan ratio into sine by cos. What is the tan theta formula? Do you remember? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So tan square theta equal to sine square theta by cos square theta by cos square theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta into, let us write this 1 is 1 square to use the formula. Okay, 1 square minus sine square theta the whole square. Okay, for this is, there is a square, minus, close this bracket, minus this term as it is, right, 2 sine square theta by cos square theta. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to sine square theta. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This form we are going to use for this term alone. Okay, remaining as it is 1, right, which is equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta into 1 square is 1. A square minus b square is a plus b, that is 1 plus sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta. Did you understand students this one? A plus b, that is 1 plus b is sine square theta into a minus b, that is 1 minus b is sine square theta. Then remaining terms as it is, right, minus 2 sine square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta into 1 plus sine square theta into, we know 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Okay, cos square theta minus this term as it is, right, 2 sine square theta by cos square theta. Now here can be cancelled. Cos power 4 theta, here 2 term can be cancelled. Here cos square theta can be cancelled. So remaining here 2 will be there. Okay, 2, 4 cancelled, so 2 will be there. So which can be right, 1 by cos square theta, here 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine square theta by cos square theta. Okay, which is equal to, now numerator can be multiplied, 1 into 1 plus sine square theta is 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta, minus is there, then this term 2 sine square theta by cos square theta. Let's take the LCM of this denominators. There is same denominator, so cos square theta, numerator can be as it is, can be write 1 plus sine square theta, minus is there, minus 2 sine square theta, 2 sine square theta, which is equal to now 1 plus, here 1 sine square theta minus 2 sine square theta. We know 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So 1 sine square theta minus 2 sine square theta we have minus sin square theta by cos square theta, which can be right here plus into minus minus, okay, 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta, okay, cos square theta by denominator as it is, right, cos square theta. Now it can be cancelled, okay, 1 cos square theta cos square, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, hence proved, okay, hence proved. Understood, students? Next, let's do the question number 2, okay, question number 5, second subdivision. Cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. Okay. First of all, let us take the LHS. What is the LHS? Cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta. Okay. Let's write the LHS. Cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta, okay, which is equal to, what is the cot formula? We have two formulas, anyone can be used, okay. What is the cot ratio? Cot is 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or else cos theta by sin theta. Anyone formula can be used, okay. Here better can be use the cot theta formula is cos theta by sin theta, okay. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. It is in cos ratio only as it is, right, cos theta divided by denominator also this cot ratio, let us change it into cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta, which is equal to, now take the LCM of the denominator and numerator, okay. So what is the LCM of the numerator? Sin theta is the LCM, sin theta. So here it can be right, cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta divided by, let us take the LCM of the denominator. So what is the LCM? Sin theta, numerator can be right, this cos theta plus is there, plus sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to, now what to do now? Let us division, let us change it into multiplication, okay. So the denominator, these two terms can be right reciprocally. Listen carefully, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta by this sin theta. Now this denominator terms, let us division, let us change it into multiplication. So into, it can be right reciprocally. So sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Now this sin theta multiplication, so can be cancelled, okay. Sin theta cancel, remaining write it, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta divided by this term cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. What can we do? Common term let us take outside, okay. Cos theta, here also cos theta is there, take it out, cos theta into, so here cos theta we have taken out, so 1 minus, here cos theta we have taken out, so sin theta is there, sin theta by denominator also same as common term, let us take it out. So cos theta is the common, cos theta into, so here cos theta we have taken out, so 1 is there, 1 plus, here cos theta we have taken out, so sin theta is the remaining, okay. Now here cos theta can be cancelled, remaining, let's write 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, okay. Now let us take, it is equation number 1, okay, equation number 1. Now let us take the RHZ. Okay, what is the RHZ? Cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. Okay, which is equal. What is the cosecant theta formula? Do you remember? 1 by sin theta. So let us use that formula. 1 by sin theta. Then minus 1 is there. Minus 1 divided by denominator also. Let us use the formula. 1 by sin theta plus 1. Okay, now let us take the LCM. Okay, which is equal to, what is the LCM of the numerator? Sin theta is the LCM. Sin theta here 1 minus is there. Sin theta into 1 sin theta divided by this denominator term also. Let us take the LCM. Sin theta is the LCM. So the numerator become 1 sin theta into 1 sin theta. Okay, which is equal to, here also let us change this division into multiplication. So numerator terms as it is, right? 1 minus sin theta by sin theta. This division let us change it into multiplication. So reciprocally can be read into sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, let us cancel this sin theta. Remaining we have 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, which is equation number 2. Okay, what is equation number 1? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Equation 2 also 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so can be write from the equations 1 and 2. We can say, what is the question? Cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. Cosecant theta plus 1. Understood, students? Next, let's do the example 6.12. Okay, prove that tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B by cos square A into cos square B. Okay, let us take the LHS side. What is the LHS? Tan square A minus tan square B. Answer we have to bring it into the sin ratio. So for tan ratio, let us use the formula sin by cos. So here tan square A is there. So it can be write sin square A by cos square A minus, here tan square B is there. So sin square B by cos square B. Let us take the LCM. So what is the LCM? Cos square A into cos square B. Cos square A into cos square B. So the numerator is no common term, so can be cross multiply. Sin square A into cos square B. Sin square A into cos square B minus is there. This one sin square B into cos square A. We know the formula cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So here both this cos square B and cos square A term, let us change it into the sin ratio. So in place of cos square B, we have to use 1 minus sin square B, as well as in place of cos square A can be used 1 minus sin square A. Okay, so let's write now sin square A into cos square B is 1 minus sin square B, close the bracket, then minus is there, minus this sin square B as it is, right, into this cos square A can be right 1 minus sin square A divided by this one denominator term as it is, right, cos square A into cos square B, which is equal to, now let's multiply here. Sin square A into 1 is sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B, sin square A into sin square B. Now the same way second term also, minus sin square B into 1 minus sin square B, minus into minus plus sin square B into sin square A divided by denominator term as it is, right, cos square A, cos square B. Now plus minus term can be cancelled. Sin minus sin square A, sin square B term plus sin square A, sin square B term. Remaining terms let's write, which is equal to sin square A, this term and this term, minus sin square B divided by denominator cos square A into cos square B, which is equal to RHS. Okay, hence proved. Next, let us do the example 6.13. Prove that cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A minus sin A minus cos cube A plus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Okay, let us take the LHS side to prove. Any one side you can take, okay, that is your wish. Okay, better we can take the LHS side. LHS equal to cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A minus sin A minus cos cube A plus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A. Okay, so here this numerator is in the form of A cube minus B cube. Okay, so what is A cube minus B cube formula? Let's write the formula. A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. As well as here for this term we are going to use the A cube plus B cube formula. What is A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. Okay, only small changes is there. Here minus B will A minus B, here in place of AB minus AB will come. Okay, now here what is A, what is B? A is equal to cos A, B is equal to sin A. For cos cube minus sin cube A, let us use this formula. Okay, that is A minus B into A minus B means cos A minus sin A into, close the bracket, then A square, that is cos square A, cos square A, then plus B square, for that sin square A, plus AB, for that what is A? Cos A. What is B? Sin A. Cos A, sin A, close the bracket, minus this cos A minus sin A. Only one term is over. Then in between minus is there. Okay, give the minus. This is not equal, minus. We are going to write the next term. Okay, minus of. The same way we have to use the A cube plus B cube formula. So how can we write A plus B first? Okay, so cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A plus B over, next A square, so cos square A plus B square, here B is sin A, so sin square A, sin square A, then minus AB, so minus of A is cos A, B is sin A, so cos A sin A, close the bracket, divided by denominator term. What is the denominator? Cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A. Here cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A can be cancelled. In the same way, next term also cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A can be cancelled. Let us write the remaining term, which is equal to, what is the remaining term we have? Cos square A plus sin square A plus cos A sin A, cos A sin A by, sorry, minus is there, okay, minus of this term, cos square A plus sin square A minus cos A sin A, close the bracket, which is equal to, here also bracket use, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So in place of cos square A plus sin square A can be used 1 plus this term as it is, right? Cos A sin A, then close the bracket, minus of, here also cos square A plus sin square A 1, minus cos A sin A, which is equal to 1 plus cos A sin A with a minus. Let's multiply these two terms. So minus into 1, minus 1, here minus into minus, plus cos A sin A. Here 1 minus 1 can be cancelled. Okay, remaining terms, right? Cos A sin A plus cos A sin A, which is equal, now can be added as 1 cos A sin A plus 1 cos A sin A. What is 1 plus 1? We have 2, is it? Like that, 1 cos A sin A plus 1 cos A sin A is 2 cos A sin A. What is it? Which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Understood, students? Next, let us do the example 6.14. Okay, what is the 6.14 now? Prove that sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A plus cot A minus 1 is equal to 1. Let us take the LHS side and we have to bring the answer 1. Okay, what is the LHS? Sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. Okay, so here numerator is in the sin ratio. Okay, denominator is secant tan minus 1. Here also cos ratio by cosecant cot. Let us take the LCM, that is easy. Okay, so LCM of the denominator is this, both the term we have to multiply and 1 write. Okay, so what is the LCM? Secant A plus tan A minus 1 into cosecant A plus cot A minus 1, as it is, right? Both the terms. Okay, secant A plus tan A minus 1 into this term cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. So numerator, what is the numerator? Cross multiplication. Okay, sin A into this term plus cos A into this term. Let's write sin A into this term cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. Then this two terms, plus is there, so plus cos A into this term secant A plus tan A minus 1. Close the bracket, which is equal to, now this sin A into this 3 terms plus cos A into this 3 terms. Okay, listen carefully. So sin A into cosecant A first term, sin A into cosecant A plus sin A into cot A, sin A into cot A, minus is there, minus 1 into sin A is sin A. Close the bracket. Now this cos A into this 3 terms. So cos A into secant A, plus is there. So cos A into secant A plus cos A into tan A, cos A into tan A, minus is there, minus 1 into cos A minus cos A, divided by the denominator as it is, right? Secant A plus tan A minus 1 into cosecant A plus cot A minus 1, which is equal to, now what is the numerator? Sin A cosecant A. What is the cosecant theta formula? 1 by sin theta. So in place of cosecant A, if we use 1 by sin A, it can be cancelled. So that sin A let us write as it is, and cosecant A let us write 1 by sin A. Okay, sin A into 1 by sin A plus, here sin A into cot A, let us write cos by sin, that is cos A by sin A. We get the cancellation, okay, for that. Minus this one as it is, right, sin A, close the bracket, plus cos A into the secant. What is secant formula? 1 by cos theta. Is it? What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. So let us use this. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Okay. So 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. Then plus is there, no? Plus cos A into what is tan A? Sin theta by cos theta. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. So tan A can be right sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A minus this cos A. Cos A. Then denominator as it is, let's write, okay. This equal sign, let's write here. Denominator, this denominators, both the term as it is, right. We have secant A plus tan A minus 1 into this one cosecant A plus cot A minus 1, which is equal to, here what are the terms can be cancelled now? Sin A, sin A. So 1 is there, 1 plus, here sin A can be cancelled, cos A is there, cos A, this term as it is, right, minus sin A, close the bracket, plus, here cos A can be cancelled, 1 plus cos A can be cancelled, sin A minus cos A, close the bracket, divided by, now denominator, let us change it into sin cos ratio. So what is secant A? 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A plus what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. So it can be right sin A by cos A minus this 1, close the bracket, into, here cosecant ratio can be bring it into sin. So 1 by sin. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So cosecant A can be right 1 by sin A plus cot theta. What is the formula? Cot theta, cos A by sin. So cos theta, that is cos A by sin A. There is minus 1, write it, close the bracket, which is equal to, now let's remove this brackets, okay. So numerator become 1 plus cos A minus sin A plus 1 plus sin A minus cos A by denominator, let us take the LCM. What is the LCM here? No, cos A. So numerator become 1 plus sin A minus 1 into cos A, that is cos A, close the bracket. For this term take the LCM. Sin A is the LCM. Numerator is 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A minus 1 into sin A, LCM, that is sin A. Close the bracket. Now here 1 can be add, okay. So 2 divided by, here cos A minus sin A, here sin A minus cos A. So plus cos A minus cos A cancel, plus sin A minus sin A cancel. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2 is there. So denominator as it is can write 1 plus sin A minus cos A by cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A by sin, as it is. Okay. Now let us bring this division into multiplication. So denominator term reciprocally can be write. Okay, that is 2 into this cos A sin A will come in the numerator. So this term as it is on, right, 1 plus sin A minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A, this denominator term in numerator, which is equal to 2 cos A sin A by, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So that let's use the bracket, okay. 1 plus A plus B term is sin A minus cos A, okay, A plus B into A minus B. For that what can we do now? From this term let us take this minus outside. So 1 minus, this minus we have taken out, so this minus sin A become plus sin A. Okay, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, so cos A into cos A, cos square, minus into minus plus, 2 cos A sin A by 1 plus sin A minus cos A. First term over, we are using A plus B into A minus B form. So that, let you understand this term A plus B form. So here we used the bracket, okay, into numerator as it is written. Now this term, okay, this one we are going to write A minus B form. Okay, A is 1. So minus B form, so that this minus, let us take outside, minus of, this minus we have taken out, so this become plus, so sin A. From here minus we have taken out, so it become minus, minus into minus plus, see? So this term we have to write minus cos A. Did you understand? So now it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So numerator as it is right, 2 cos A sin A by, now it is A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square, isn't it? So A square minus B is sin A minus cos A. So sin A minus cos A, the whole square. Did you understand this one? A square minus B square. Here B is sin A minus cos B. That is numerator as it is right. Denominator, it is in the form, only bracket inside, see that A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? A square minus B square plus 2AB. Sorry, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So it can be write 1 minus, here we have to use the formula A square, that is sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A. A square plus B square minus 2AB, which is equal to numerator as it is right, 2 cos A sin A by denominator 1 minus, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square A plus cos square A is 1, can be right, 1 minus this term as it is 1, right, okay, which is equal to 2 cos A sin A divided by 1 with the minus, let us multiply this two terms, so minus 1, here minus into minus plus 2 sin A cos A, which is equal to 2 cos A sin A divided by, here 1 minus 1 0, remain here we have 2 sin A cos A, okay, here 2 can be cancelled, cos A can be cancelled, sin A can be cancelled, so 1 is there, okay, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, hence proved, okay, thank you.